Hi there, KOT here. Do you know there are several web apps that can help you edit your PDF files with ease? Do you want to combine or merge PDF files, split, organize, compress, rotate, sign, watermark, or page number your PDF files? Apps like Adobe, LibreOffice Draw, Caesar, I Love PDF can serve your need. But today, let's look at I Love PDF. It has both the desktop app and then the web app. Mobile versions in both Android and iOS. For business purposes, you can check out the subscription version, but the free version is absolutely fantastic. So let's jump onto our PC and check this out. First and foremost, I like to check the security and privacy of such apps because I'll be uploading my document. And the site or the app seems to guarantee some kind of security and privacy to our documents when we upload them. So it's quite okay. So to get to the home page, just enter ilovepdf.com. Alright, so this is the home page of ilovepdf.com. You can sign up and then log in whenever you want to use the page. You can also download the desktop version by going to products and then click on desktop. It will give you access to download for Windows and then to download for Mac. All right, so that is it. Let's check some of the features and then do one or two demonstrations. So the first feature, or let's go to the menu. They have merge PDFs, split PDF, compress, and then they've have some group of commands here. Convert PDF will give you access to convert PDFs to others, and then they have all the PDF tools also here, organized very nicely. All right, so organize PDF, optimize PDF, convert PDFs to, or convert to PDF and convert from PDF, edit PDF, and then PDF security. So these are the groups of the functions they have in I Love PDF. So let's check the first one, which says we should merge PDFs. So this helps you to combine your PDFs or multiple PDFs. All right. So if you have, let's say 2-3 PDFs that you want to put together as one, you can just use this function to get that done. Very simple to do. In the next few minutes, we'll demonstrate how to merge PDFs. You can also split PDFs, right? So if you have a PDF that you like to split them or split that particular PDF, you can do that using this function. You can also compress PDFs, all right? So if you have the size of your PDF to be larger than what you want to upload onto a particular site, you can compress the PDF here. And then you can convert PDFs to Word. Right, so you can convert your PDF to Word, your PDF to PowerPoint, PDF to Excel, your Word to PDF, PowerPoint to PDF, Excel to PDF. You can even edit your PDF here. So what can you do here? You can add text, images, shapes, or even do some freehand annotations. In your PDF document, right? You can edit the font size, the font style, the color of your PDF. So that is absolutely fantastic. You don't have to convert your PDF back to Word to be able to do your editings. Straight up, you can do your editings in the PDF document. You can also convert PDF to images like JPEG. You can convert an image to PDF. You can sign a PDF. All right, this is this is one of the nice functions that you like to explore, right? So in most of the cases, we sign and scan it into an image and insert it into the Word document. But here you can just type your Word document, leave a space for signature, convert it to PDF, and then sign directly in the PDF file. And then you can also watermark. So watermark is not just for Word, you can also watermark your PDF, all right, file. And then you can also rotate your PDF. So in the event, I remember one time I scanned a document into PDF and it turned upside down. So I needed a way to get it done. All right, I just uploaded the document here, the PDF file here, and then rotated it to its normal shape. You can also, do a lot of things with it. You can unlock your PDF file. So in the event where you have protection, all right, you've protected your PDF and you've forgotten the password, or there's a PDF that is protected that you like to access it, you can unlock it, and then you can also protect your PDF files with passwords and other security encryptions. All right, so you can also organize your PDF. All right, so you have multiple a number of PDFs that you like to arrange them or organize them very well. You can do that. You can sort pages of your PDF files however you like. You can even delete PDF pages. Right. So maybe you have a PDF, you like to remove some pages. You can just do that using this function. You can also convert PDFs, all right, to other formats as we've just talked about: Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and what have you. You can also repair PDF. So sometimes you open the PDF and it seems to have some issues, right? It will tell you error and all sort of things. Just import it here and then get it repaired. You can also page number your PDF files, right? This is making you work with ease. You don't have to repeat yourself in doing so many things. You don't have to convert the file to Word and then renumber or page number it before you convert it to PDF. You can do that directly in I Love PDF. They also have a new function which helps you to scan to PDF. All right, so this is also one of the interesting features they've added recently. What this does is, let's check it out quickly. So you scan this QR code, it gives you access to be able to scan the document, and as you scan the document, it appears directly in I Love PDF. Right, so the link is that this QR code is giving you access. All right, it's connecting you to the platform. So as you scan the hard copy of the document, it appears in the here, all right, in I Love PDF, and you can organize them very well and then save it. All right, so that is very, very nice. You can explore more of it. So let's try and explore one or two of these functions. So let's try and merge PDF files and see how it works. So to merge a PDF file, just click on the function here, PDF, merge PDF files, and then it will bring you to this page. You just have to select your PDF files, right? So I want to merge file 1, file 2. I'll just select them and click on open. All right, so it will import or it will upload the files directly onto the platform. Right, so file 1, file 2. Maybe I want file 2 to be the first, so I can just switch the positions. Bring file 2 first and then file 1 second. So you can do a lot of things with it. So after getting your arrangements correct, you just click on merge PDF. Okay, so your PDF has been merged. You can go on to download it. All right, so I'll just click and download. Let's try and open it and see what happened. All right, so it has merged the, so this is one, right, the first page, and then the second page. All right, so nicely merged, looking nice. Just use it and then you are good to go. No watermark, it's free, just explore it. All right, so that is for the merge. Simple to do. It's just 2 clicks away and you are good to go. So let's also see if we can split the PDF we've just merged. All right, so we just click on split PDF and then we go back and try and look for the PDF we like to split. All right, so this is file 1, file 2 merge. Let's select it. open it, and then we have the 2 pages here. It's one document but has 2 pages. So split by range, extract pages. Right, so you can split by range. So when you split by range, what this means is you want to split, let's say, multiple pages from page 1 to page 5. All right, in a range. If you have more than, 5 pages, you want to split page 1 to page 5. So in that range, it will split it. Or you want to extract the pages, right? So in that event, you just click on this extract pages, and it will give you the individual pages you like to extract. So you can just click those ones you like. All right, you like to extract from the whole PDF document. All right, so that is it. So in this case, I'll just like to extract page 1, and then I'll go to, let me just highlight this. So in the event where you like to split in range, you try as much as possible to merge it. All right, so you split them in range and you merge those ones. So in this case, I just want to extract a page. I'll just click on extract pages and select just page 1. And then because it's only one page, I don't need to merge it. I'll just go ahead and split. And then let's see what will happen. All right, so it is done. PDF have been split. All right, so I'll just check it out. So you could see I only have the first page. All right, so I've extracted only this page from the merged document. That's absolutely cool and easy to do, right? That's cool and easy to do. So let's check some of the other functions like compress PDF. We just click on compress PDF. We come to this page, select the PDF we like to compress. So in this case, let's choose the one we made. And then here we go. So it's asking us to extreme compression. All right, less quality, high compression, recommended compression, good quality, good compression, less compression, high quality, less compression. So depending on the size you like to compress. All right, so first of all, you have to check the size of your file. Easy to do. Just right click on the file and then you can go to properties. All right, so when you go to properties, it will show you the size of the file. This is only 104 kilobytes. So in events where, let's say, I need 90 kilobytes, I have to use high quality compression because the file is already small, right? But let's assume the size of the file is 5 megabytes and I need to upload 2 megabytes size, right? It means you have to use higher compression to be able to get that size. So in this case, we just use the recommended, or we can even use less compression. All right, and then just compress it. So this is showing us that the PDF are now 61% smaller. All right, so from 104 KB kilobytes to 41 kilobytes. That's a lot of compression that has been done here. But let's see the effect on the file we just compressed. Yeah, so this is it. This is not much different from, this is the actual one, and then this is the compressed one. You see, it's not much different from that, and it's giving us good quality compression. So that is cool to do. All right, you can explore it, and then it's just a click and then you are good to go. You can explore the other functions. You can convert PDF to Word, PDF to PowerPoint, PDF to Excel, Word to PDF, and others. All right, so that's I love PDF for today. In subsequent episodes, we'll try and see the other web apps or websites for merging documents, and then we pick our choice. But I think I Love PDF has amazing features, amazing functions that makes editing or working with PDF very easy. All right, so thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you receive updates whenever I upload a new document.